Nestled in the serene community of Hickman, Nebraska, 921, Terrace View Drive offers a harmonious blend of modern design and comfortable living. This single-family home, built in 2020, spans 2,801 square feet and is currently listed for $525,000. Key features: bedrooms and bathrooms. The residence boasts 5 spacious bedrooms and 3 well-appointed bathrooms, providing ample space for family and guests. Modern construction. Constructed in 2020, the home features contemporary finishes and up-to-date amenities, ensuring a move-in ready experience. Expansive living space. With an open-concept floor plan, the living areas are designed for both functionality and style, accommodating various lifestyle needs. Gourmet Kitchen. The kitchen is equipped with high-end appliances, ample cabinetry, and a large island, making it a focal point for culinary endeavors and gatherings. Master Suite. The master bedroom offers a private retreat with an en-suite bathroom featuring modern fixtures and finishes. Outdoor amenities. Situated on a well-maintained lot, the property includes outdoor spaces ideal for relaxation and entertainment. Located in a peaceful neighborhood, this home provides a perfect balance of tranquility and convenience, with easy access to local amenities and services. Whether you're seeking a spacious family residence or a modern retreat, 921 Terrace View Drive is a property worth exploring.